GoPro, this is your last chance, at least for me. Hello everyone, how you doing today? My name is David Franco, and today's unboxing is going to be very bittersweet. It's bitter because I absolutely hate the GoPro Hero 9. I actually hate it so much that I bought 2 of them. Yeah, you heard me right. And it's sweet because, well, this is new tech, and in theory, the GoPro Hero 10 is even better than the GoPro Hero 9, but then again, to be fair, any GoPro in recent years has been so much better than the GoPro Hero 9. I hate these cameras. I hate them so much. And actually, they're on eBay right now. Yes, I'm trying to get these sold because that money is going to pretty much pay off the GoPro Hero 10, and I have a bunch of other tech on its way, including my 14-inch MacBook Pro, so stay tuned for that. But before I get into my unboxing of the GoPro Hero 10, because let's face it, an unboxing isn't really that all exciting because we've seen unboxings of GoPros before. It's the same thing every year. The camera just gets a little better each year, which is fine. But in terms of unboxings, like, there's only so much I can give you. So let me briefly explain why I absolutely despise the GoPro Hero 9. First of all, the video quality is fine. Low light performance sucks, but you know what? You're gonna expect that out of a camera of this size. It's physically impossible to get the kind of low light performance you want out of a camera of this size. But even with that said, I think with some software algorithms like Apple does, maybe, just maybe, GoPro could pull off something better in the future. But for now, these are good enough. They're good enough in low lights. And guys, I primarily use these cameras for vlogging, so keep that in mind. Now, thankfully, I have my video lights on right now, so vlogging right now would be just fine because it's bright as hell in here. But the number one reason why I despise the Hero 9 is the audio popping issue. Yes, when I first bought one of these Hero 9s, I don't even know which one's my first one, I noticed some kind of like popping sound. I'm like, oh shit, this must be my fault. This must be user error. Because I've never had this issue with GoPro. I mean, this is their, in theory, 9th major GoPro camera, not counting like the Session and whatever. So there's no way in hell such a serious issue, could actually get out the doors of headquarters over GoPro. So I was thinking, well, just maybe my finger is touching the microphone because, it happens. New camera, different mic placement, bada bing, bada boom. Not a big deal. You move your fingers a little bit. Then I was extra careful. So extra careful vlogging. And then, of course, I looked over the footage and I still heard the popping. I'm like, wait a minute. This can't be me. There's no way I'm this stupid when it comes to vlogging. I've been doing this sort of thing for 15 years. And guys, it's embarrassing. These cameras embarrass me. It makes it look like I don't know what I'm doing. So I went on Google. That's what we do nowadays, right? We go on Google, type in our issue. Turns out this is a serious problem with the Hero 9. And I've tried updating the firmware. I've tried factory resetting. Still a problem. So I was like, okay, you know what? I kind of need a second camera anyway because I like having a backup camera for my Tesla or whatever, Having backups is certainly nice. So I bought a second one. Same issue. GoPro. What's going on here? And I'm sure some people in the comments, oh, David, people make mistakes. You're so entitled. Yes, I am entitled. When you're spending $400 to $500 on a camera like this, and let's face it, GoPro is the action camera. And with as much experience as GoPro has, how did something like this get out the door? How did this pass tests? I mean, you don't think they just cram these parts together and ship them, right? No, of course not. Months upon months, at least I believe so, of research goes into products like this. I hate these cameras. Now, thankfully, the GoPro Hero 10, per my research, gets rid of that issue. But it should have never been an issue to begin with. GoPro, how did you ship this? It absolutely blows my freaking mind. It blows my mind. And yes, I'm getting pissed off. Because it's GoPro. It's not like it's some off-brand company. There's no excuse for shit like that. So with that said, I gave GoPro $400 again for the Hero 10. Now, all the madness aside, guys. I do enjoy GoPro as a brand. I think their quality control is a joke. It's an absolute joke. But I still have faith in the HERO10 because apparently this one's even better in low light performance and all that stuff. And please excuse my voice. Yes, it's still on its way of coming back. All right, so you get a little battery. There you go. These accessories that I'm immediately going to throw right back into the case because I don't need them. I just don't use these. Maybe you do, I don't. Lots of documentation. Don't need that, it's gonna go right back in here. Because who knows, maybe I'll sell the HERO10 in like a year when the HERO11 comes out or whatever they're gonna call it. And here is the GoPro HERO10. Very nice, very nice. Now, something you'll notice right away is it looks pretty much identical. Hold on, let's take this off. Oh, baby. Another one. Oh, baby. And now for the Big Daddy. Oh, baby. I don't know if you can even hear that. So, the HERO10 is nearly identical to the HERO9. But can you tell one big difference? One huge difference right now? It's pretty obvious unless you're blind as a bat. No offense. It's blue. Yes, which I like. So yeah, this is the easiest way to tell the difference between the HERO10 and the HERO9. GoPro this year is going for the blue branding, which is nice. And I believe it's on the side as well. There it is. And boom. So very cool. So yeah, that's it, guys. Not a very exciting unboxing, but not gonna lie, I made this unboxing for two reasons. Number one, I just like unboxings. I don't care if I'm unboxing a piece of paper. I'll do it. Seriously. And number two, what's up, Z? How you doing, dude? Number two, this is my chance to rant about the HERO9. So if you're thinking about the HERO9, stop thinking about it. Don't get it. Either get the HERO7, the HERO8, or just skip to the HERO10. And guys, believe me, these cameras ain't cheap. These cameras are not cheap at all. Hence why, again, I'm selling these so I get my money back. So, it is what it is. Anyway, I guess I'll give you guys a quick test clip, and then I'll sign off. Okay. How's it look? Keep in mind, it's extremely gloomy out today. It's been raining all day in Pennsylvania, so the lighting is not very good at all. But I'm starting these test clips right here for a reason. Well, because I made very clear, low light performance on GoPro isn't its strongest feature. But apparently the HERO10 is better than the HERO9. Alright, so let's walk around here. Let's sit in front of my video lights. Exposure test. Very, very bright lights. So let's turn these off. Now you're just looking at natural light, a little bit of light in my room, and the light from my iMac right there. Let's turn these lights back on. It's not bad, right? Not bad. Stabilization test. I have hyper smooth on high, not boost. So this is just me walking at a normal pace. Pacing around my very, very dark house at the moment. Hey, Maui. How you doing, dude? You having fun? Yeah, you're just having a blast. Zero wants to go outside. Zero is my cat for those who just found me. Welcome, I appreciate it. Zero, I don't think you want to go out there, but I'll open this just for a video test. Where did Evie go? That's the other cat I feed. So there you go, some overcast lighting. Not bad. I may have noticed already that there is a little bit of boost in lighting, which is nice. Oh, come on, Zero. Oh, here comes Evie. There's about to be cat drama. Yeah, these two don't get along. Now let's go way over here in the corner of my kitchen where it's very dark. Could be worse, honestly. It could definitely be worse. And guys, keep in mind, shout out to all the video editors like myself. Like, if you have dark video, there is a way to, you know, cure it or whatever you want to say. But hey, first impressions, it's not bad. I mean, it looks kind of like my GoPro HERO9, which is not necessarily a bad thing. Just my main gripe with the HERO9 was the audio. So audio should be better on this one already. despite my voice sounding horrible. Guys, thank you so much for watching. It is Friday, so stay tuned. The next weekend vlog will be recorded entirely using only the GoPro HERO10. And of course, if you guys want to buy this for yourself on Amazon, it is linked right below. Disclaimer, that's my affiliate link, but if you use that, I get a little kickback. It helps, you know, especially with the upcoming holidays. I cannot wait until Christmas season, guys. It's gonna be a lot of fun on the channel. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day, and I'll talk to you soon. COVID sucks. Peace.